Hello everyone, welcome to Bar Software Tutorials. My name is Adegu Barnabas. I'll be showing you how to increase your PC performance so that your PC won't be slow. Sometimes you want to open much application, much folders, so that you do some stuff, you don't want to close some application because you are still working with it. But today I'll be showing you how to increase your performance so that your PC won't be slow. You know, probably when you want to open this kind of stuff, your PC will be slow. First thing we have to do here is you go to the start menu, right click on it, then click on run. If your own is not showing up, you can still go to the search bar and type run. Can you see mine is already open, so you can probably open yours. Your next thing you are going to do on the search bar on the run, you type nsconfig. That is my system configuration. The config is a short form of configuration. You click OK. This dialog box will show that is the system configuration. On the system configuration, we have general, the boot, the service, the startup, and the tool. Then we have startup selection. The startup selection, we have the normal startup and the boutique startup. Then we have the selective startup. But today we'll be working with the boot. On the boot, you might have different windows, but I have this Windows 10 as the default OS. Then you go to the advanced option. You click on the advanced option. On the boot advanced option, if this your number of processor is not checked, you have to check it. Click on the drop box there. Mine is already selected, but you can select yours as the maximum. My own maximum is 2, but probably your own can be 8, 7, 5. Click on the maximum for better performance. I'll click on my maximum, then you click OK. After clicking OK, come here and click on Apply. Then you click OK. You can restart your system, but we have not done with mine, so I won't be restarting mine now. I'll click exit without restart. Then the next place we'll be going to is the power settings. Click on the search address bar and type power. You can probably see power settings. You can see power and sleep settings. Click on the power and sleep settings or the power settings. On the power and the sleep settings, you can see related settings or you can see additional power settings. Click on the additional power settings. This dialog box will show up the power option. You have to choose or customize power plan. We'll be working with the change power settings on the recommended power. It can be high performance or the power saver or the balance recommended. Mine is only showing the balanced power settings, which is the recommended. Then I click on the change plan settings. This dialog will display again. There is power settings. Then you click on change advanced power settings. Power plan. Have the advanced settings. then the balance is already chosen. And you see a lot of hardware, software, application, how to set them with the battery, how how would they work with the batteries. But today we'll be working with the processor power management because we want to increase our processor performance. You click on processor power management. Next, you have the minimum processor state, the system cooling policy, and the maximum processor state. First of all, on the minimum processor state, mine is 00. If yours is not 00, you have to change it to 0. You can click on it and change it. Change it to 0. Then you have the system cooling policy. If your phone is not active, you have to change to active on battery. You have to change it to active. Mine is already active. Then we have the maximum processor state. If yours is not 100%, you have to change it because 100% should be the as maximum processor state. After doing that, you click apply, then okay. I don't know, my on is already chosen, so I don't need to apply again. Just click on okay. Close. Then the next thing we'll be doing here is we'll be stopping some application that normally start on the startup. When you boot your system, it start. So first of all, you want to right click on the start menu, click on task management. If your one is not working, go to the address bar and type task management. Click on the task manager. Task manager will have the process, we have the format, the app history, the startup, user details, and settings. What we'll be working with is the startup, like I said. Click on the startup. You see plenty of applications, but mine is just create because I'm already started mine. You disable any application you feel unwanted, and click on it, and say disable it, any unwanted application, then restart your system. After restarting your system, you still come back to task manager. Come back to the task manager. We want to check our CPU performance. Click on CPU. I will restart mine. I will restart mine and see better performance of the but because of this video, my CPU is so high, and so if I will restart mine, so thank you for watching. Like I said earlier, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on any software or hardware issue.